Welcome to Health Channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed. Dear students of Standard 4, today we will solve some multiple choice questions from the book of EVS Part 2. All the questions will be based on second chapter, Work of the Saints. We hope that you have learnt about work of the many saints in this chapter. The tradition of saints that began in Maharashtra with Shri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdeo, Sant Dnyaneshwar, Sant Chokha Mela was continued by saints coming from various strata of society. In this group of saints are included Sant Goroba, Sant Sawata, Sant Narhari, Sant Eknath, Sant Shaikh Mahammed, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba, etc. Similarly, Sant Janabai, Sant Sawata, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanhopatra, and Sant Bahinabai Shiurkar are also included. They taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality and brotherhood. No one is inferior, no one is superior. All are equal. Such was the sentiment that was created by saints in the minds of people. Similarly, Samarth Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. Now ready to solve multiple choice questions coming on the screen. Question number 1. Which of these things saints did not teach people? First option, compassion and non-violence. Second option, charity and service. Third option, animosity and inequality. Fourth option, equality and brotherhood. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is animosity and inequality. Question number 2. Who established the sect Mahanubhav? First option, Shri Chakradhar Swami. Second option, Sant Namdeo. Third option, Sant Dnyaneshwar. Fourth option, Sant Tukaram. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Shri Chakradhar Swami. Question number 3. In which book the memorable incidents from the life of Shri Chakradhar Swami have been compiled? First option, Gyaneshwari. Second option, Leela Charitra. Third option, Geetambri. Fourth option, Dasbodh. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Leela Charitra. Question number 4. Who was a great devotee of Vitthal? First option, Shri Chakradhar Swami. Second option, Sant Namdeo. Third option, Sant Dnyaneshwar. Fourth option, Sant Tukaram. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Namdeo. Question number 5. Which one of the following virtues was taught by the saints? First option, animosity. Second option, inequality. Third option, brotherhood. Fourth option, violence. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is brotherhood. Question number 6. What was Shri Chakradhar Swami originally? First option, a farmer. Second option, a prince. Third option, a teacher. Fourth option, a soldier. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is a prince. Question number 7. In which language did Gyaneshwar write his excellent book Gyaneshwari? First option, Sanskrit. Second option, Hindi. Third option, Gujarati. Fourth option, Marathi. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Marathi. Question number 8. Shivaji Maharaj was present in the kirtans of which of these saints? First option, Sant Tukaram. Second option, Sant Eknath. Third option, Sant Dnyaneshwar. Fourth option, Sant Namdeo. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Tukaram. Question number 9. Some verses of which saint are included in Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs? First option, Sant Namdeo. Second option, Sant Eknath. Third option, Sant Dnyaneshwar. Fourth option, Sant Tukaram. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Namdeo. Question number 10. Who taught people the good ways of life through his book Dasbodh? First option, Sant Niloba. Second option, Sant Namdeo. Third option, Sant Tukaram. Fourth option, Samarth Ramdas. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Samarth Ramdas. Question number 12. Who was the person who drowned in the Indrayani river, who had all the record of loan papers? First option, Sant Namdeo. Second option, Sant Eknath. Third option, Sant Gyaneshwar. Fourth option, Sant Tukaram. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Tukaram. Question number 13. To popularize the worship of strength, Samarth Ramdas raised the temples of Dash. First option, Ram. Second option, Shiv. Third option, Hanuman. Fourth option, Shankar. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Hanuman. Question number 14. Which saint is known as Gyanva? First option, Sant Gyaneshwar. Second option, Sant Namdeo. Third option, Sant Eknath. Fourth option, Sant Tukaram. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Dnyaneshwar. Question number 15. Who told these words to her brother? Open the door, Gyaneshwar. How can we remain drowned in our sorrow? Who will then look to the welfare of the world? First option, Nirmalabai. Second option, Janabai. Third option, Soyarabai. Fourth option, Muktabai. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Muktabai. Question number 16. Name of the saint whose family belonged to Apegao. First option, Sant Namdeo. Second option, Sant Dnyaneshwar. Third option, Sant Eknath. Fourth option, Shri Chakradhar Swami. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Dnyaneshwar. Question number 17. Sant Eknath preached that the way to reach God was through devotion. What was that way? First option, Dharmanishtha. Second option, Bhakti Bhav. Third option, Bhakti Marg. Fourth option, Upasna. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Bhakti Marg. Question number 18. Which of these saints came from Dehu, near Pune? First option, Sant Namdeo. Second option, Sant Tukaram. Third option, Shri Chakradhar Swami. Fourth option, Sant Eknath. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Tukaram. Question number 19. Who was the son of a sannyasi? First option, Sant Dnyaneshwar. Second option, Sant Namdeo. Third option, Shri Chakradhar Swami. Fourth option, Sant Eknath. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Dnyaneshwar. Question number 20. Who wrote the numerous devotional song Abhangs? First option, Sant Namdeo. Second option, Sant Eknath. Third option, Sant Dnyaneshwar. Fourth option, Sant Tukaram. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Sant Tukaram. Thank you for watching Help channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.